Right hand.
So what is the fourth? We go on to the fourth question. Now the fourth and fifth question are of the same type. So I will solve the fourth one, then you can do the fifth one on your own. Now on a number line, they are saying on a number line, points A, B and C are such that. Now on a number line, points A, B and C. That means A, B and C are what points? Collinear points. They are what points? Collinear. Because they are on the number line. Now they are given a distance between A and C is 10 and C and B is 8. Find the distance between A and B considering all possibilities. So to find the distance between A and B, okay? All possibilities. Now how many possibilities can there be if 3 points are collinear? So I have drawn it on the board for you all. So the first possibility is that A is between B and C, right? Second property is that B is between A and C. I hope you can see. And the third possibility is that C is between A and B. Okay? A is between B and C, A is in between, or B is in between, or C is in between. There are only three possibilities. So let's look at all the three possibilities. Let's look at the distances and we can see which possibility we can rule out. Now it's common sense, boys. Look here. Distance between A and C is 10 and distance between B and C is 8. Is it possible that this distance, the extreme point is big, small number, and this A and C is 10? Is it possible? So this possibility is not. It has to be ruled out because AC cannot be 10. Can a smaller distance comprise of a smaller of a what? Smaller distance comprise of a bigger distance? Not possible. So what about here? This possibility is there. Yes, A and C is 10 and the smaller distance in between is inside it. Here also 10 and 8, this possibility is there. So let's find out all the possibilities. So I'll take the first case that C is between A and B. So find out, now let's find out, you have to find out distance between A and B, right? So I'll say distance between A and B. So what will be distance between A and B? AC plus CB, right? AC plus CB. So I'll say distance AC. So I'll say A dash is B, okay? Therefore, so what is distance between A and C? Looking at it, they are giving you how much? 10. So write 10. Or again, it's written here also. Plus distance between C and B. What is this C and B? 8. It is given in the textbooks. The fourth. So 10 plus 8 becomes how much? 18. So I'll say when C is between A and B, the distance between A and B is 18 units. Clear? Let's do this. Let's do this. So I'll say what is the who's between now? Okay. First write what is the betweenness. So I'll say A dash B dash C. In other words, B is between A and C. So therefore I can say the distance between AB plus what? Yes, the distance, the full distance, no? Distance between what? A and C will be equal to what? AB plus BC. Yes, the full distance A and C is equal to AB plus BC. So I will say distance AB plus BC. So what is AC? What is the distance AC given in your book? CA or AC? AC or CA is 10. So I write 10. What is distance AB given to you? No, you have to find out. No, distance AB you have to find out. So write this as it is. Plus, what is the distance between B and C? It is given in a book. B and C distance or C and B. How much is that? 8. Now, you want to find out distance A and B. So put that 8 on the left side. Take it on the left. Okay. So I'll get 10. And when plus 8 comes here, becomes what? Minus 8. So 10 minus 8 is the distance between A and B. Therefore, I'll say distance A comma B is equal to what is 10 minus 8? 2. So I'll get 2 units. Can I do that sum? Let's try. Check. I got B dash A dash C. Looking at it only you can make out. Not possible. So if I say what are distance B and C? Distance B and C. Full distance BC will be AB plus BA plus AC, right? BA plus AC, right? Let's see why it is not possible. Okay, we know mentally it is not possible. Let's. So what is BC given to you? 8. Fine. Now what is BA? Distance B and A is given to you. No, you have to find out. No, distance between B and A. B and A means the same. Distance AB. See, AB bolo, yeah, B and A bolo. It is the same thing. It's like, you know, you catch your nose like this or you catch your nose like this. Plus AC. What is AC given to you? 10. Now what will you do? You have to find BA. So you have to take this here. So what I'll get? 8 minus 10. And the plus 10 goes here, becomes what? Minus 10. Okay. So I'll get distance B comma A. Fine. So what is plus 8 minus 10? I hope you know how to subtract, how to add and subtract integers. So plus 8 minus 10 is what? Minus 2. So I'll get distance B A is minus 2 units. Now, can distance ever be minus 2 units? Can distance be negative? Never. Can I say the distance between Bombay and Pune is minus 400 kilometers? People will laugh at me. People will think that I have gone wrong. I have gone mad. Something is wrong with me. So distance cannot be negative. So you say, since distance BA or distance cannot be negative, you will say the B dash A, the possibility has to be ruled out. But it is not possible. Okay, has to be ruled out. Therefore, you say distance B comma A cannot be found. Cannot be found. I hope it is clear. So only in these two possibilities you can find a distance. Here, not possible, because when you're finding it, you're getting minus 2, and distance can never be negative. If the distance comes negative, that means something is wrong. Either you have not done the sum correctly, or there is a problem.